everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In case you don't know, my name is Kim and you are at My Feathered Nest. So in today's video, I am inviting you guys to come along with me as I hosted a Friendsgiving afternoon tea. We had so much fun. We ended up having a lovely tea with some of my friends as well as my mother-in-law, and we did a craft together. It was a fun craft where we made different Christmas items with old jewelry, and so I cannot wait for you guys to see that. So if you are interested in seeing how I set the table with a lot of fun thrifted items, then make sure you stay tuned. I even thrifted in my own stash, things I did not even realize I had, and it was like I was like a kid in a candy shop. I can't wait for you guys to see some of the things that I found that I didn't even realize I had. Anyway, so if you're interested in coming along today for a fun Friendsgiving afternoon tea, then stay tuned. So I am so excited. I can't even tell you how excited I am. When I was trying to pick out dishes for our tea party today, I was out in my very unorganized barn looking through my dishes, which was a difficulty. And you guys, it's a problem when you don't have your stuff organized and so you don't realize what you have. But you guys, look what I have. Do you see what I see? It is the Friendly Village teapot. I'm pretty sure, wait a minute. Let me just double check this real quick. Yes, it is. It is the Friendly Village teapot. Johnson Brothers. Friendly Village is actually one of my all-time favorite prints. I have the teapot. I have the creamer. I have the sugar bowl. I am so stoked. I found 6 teacups. I found 6 saucers. I found these 2 cute little, I'm gonna use them, well, this one's just like a little serving bowl. This little square plate is probably not for serviceware. It's probably actually to use, but I only have one of them. But I'm so stoked. And in that same box, look at this. It is a platter, a friendly, look at that. That is gorgeous. I am so happy. I can't even express to you my level of happiness. In that same box, I did find some more pieces to this pattern that I have that I absolutely love. It's called The Hunter by Franciscan in Staffordshire, England. You guys, this is one of my favorites. And I think I've actually got a pretty good little collection of this. And so I like to kind of mix this. This is another one of my favorite, especially for fall. I think this one's called the Bouquet, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's Myatt's. I don't know if that's how I'm saying that right. Myatt's Bouquet. This is Staffordshire, England again. I just think all of these work so well together. So in that box, I found all of these, all of this stuff pretty much right here, except for this really pretty pie plate. I knew I had that, and my 3 blue willow dishes, and these cute little things right here. So I don't know if these, and I'm using these as spoon rests for each place setting. I don't know if that's exactly what they're supposed to be. I'm pretty sure that's what they are, but regardless, I'm using them. But look how cute that is in a little thing. I got that at a thrift store. Actually, I think everything here came from a thrift store. I do believe that my mother-in-law is the one that got me the Friendly Village teapot, and all of the Friendly Village stuff I think came from my mother-in-law. Actually, probably all this did too. My mother-in-law is the best. I am so sorry if you don't have a mother-in-law like mine. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and start getting set, but I just wanted to share, it was like Christmas. I just looked in that box and I first saw these and I was like, oh, I forgot I had them. And you guys, as I started to dig in the box and I found the teapot, I was like a kid in a candy shop. I was so excited. Okay guys, so here is how I have the table set using my thrifted items for our Friendsgiving afternoon tea. In this small little dish, I just have my version of clotted cream or Devonshire cream. No, it's not probably the official way, but it's yummy, and I have it with some blackberry preserves that I made, and I used blackberries just off of our property. My mother-in-law brought some of these Ferrero Rochers, and I've got the 3-tiered tray here. I've got some orange cranberry scones on the top, and I'm waiting for some tea sandwiches that my dad's wife, Kathy, is bringing. We actually end up kind of switching that arrangement around a little bit, but this is just the start of it. And I'm loving the way that we've got the table set. We are using a tea today. It's a black tea called Christmas Memories, and it is from Miss Molly's Tea Room in Medina, Ohio. I'm sure if you've been with me for a while, you've heard me mention that before. It's a tea house in, like I said, in Medina, and it's just, when my in-laws were living in Ohio, we would go there every trip that we made to Ohio. It's just a lovely little place. So if you're local, I highly recommend going there. And my mother-in-law brought some beets. Now, beets is one of those things, you guys, that I'm trying to like. I'm not quite there yet. I can do them in a salad, but these beets are special to her because she makes them using my husband's late grandfather, her father's recipe. And anyway, I am really happy with the little table setting. It's simple. I think to me, it's fall. I've got a combination of the Friendly Village and I think it was Myatt's. I'm not sure if I'm butchering that name. Myatt's, the floral bouquet plates. And I picked up these really cute little napkin rings from Hobby Lobby the other day. They were really inexpensive, super cute. And these little table scatters are just some small little pine cones. Those are from Hobby Lobby. And mostly everything on this table has been a lot, at least the dishes have been thrifted. My sweet mom gave me those milk glass candle holders. I've got a pitcher just with some ice water. It would be so pretty if I had some really pretty flowers to float in the top of this pitcher of water, but I don't. Yeah, so it looks really pretty. I should probably maybe light those candles up there. That might be an extra touch. Maybe I'll go and do that right now. Okay, so I lit the candles up there and I added this cute little Thanksgiving. It's so cute. It's got some glitter sparkles on it and it's very vintagey looking. I actually picked it up from a thrift store, but I think it originally came from like TJ Maxx or something. I just love those pictures on there. It kind of completes this little mantle. I wanted to put a turkey right in the center, and I have 2 of them, but the one I got from the barn was too big. I should have grabbed the other one while I was out there. Oh well. Maybe for Thanksgiving dinner I'll do that, but that looks pretty. Okay, so now we've got all of the food. My Kathy brought some chicken salad sandwiches and some egg salad sandwiches, as well as some ham salad sandwiches. And we weren't planning on using the paper plates that she brought them on, but you know what? She had them kind of on there with the parsley and the beds of lettuce. So we basically just placed them on top of those other glass dishes. She also brought some little cucumber tea sandwich, little bites. And then, of course, we've got Lisa's super yummy. I'm talking, this stuff is delicious. It's a Blueberry Cobbler. You have got to go to her channel. She's got a video where she shows you how to make that. And I like literally 2 thumbs up. So good. So here we are. We had our lovely tea. We got our bellies full. And now it's time to start crafting. So my friend Lisa, like I said, at Crepe Myrtle Rose, she also has a video showing you, I think it was a vlog style video the day that she came over, showing you how she prepared her picture frame and what she did to get ready for her craft. What we basically just took apart a lot of old jewelry and turned it into a couple Christmas trees, and my mother-in-law made basically like a bouquet with hers. And it was just a very fun craft, a great way to recycle some of those old jewelry. This is the one that I made. I was pretty pleased with the way that it turned out. You can see that we just used some black velvet that Lisa, actually she thrifted a lady's shirt and we glued that to some cardboard. Lisa's turned out super fun and festive. I love that little nutcracker type of guy that she has down there glued into the corner. And I love how she used the pearls, around hers. And then I'm getting ready to show you my mother-in-law's. She made a bouquet, and in this video, I don't know if I have the actual finished piece or not, but when she framed it, it looked so beautiful. Hers had a lot of pinks in it, and if I do say so, I was kind of envious of that one. There it is. I love the pinks that she used. Just a fun craft, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today and for coming along with me as I hosted a Friendsgiving afternoon tea. I hope you guys are super excited for the holiday season and that you're getting your houses all cozy. So I was a little bit MIA this past week. We just had a really busy week. I filmed a lot, but I didn't have a whole lot of time to edit. So I'm hoping that this Thanksgiving week, I'm gonna just try and just pump out a lot of videos to you guys, and I cannot wait to show you all of the different areas in my house that I have decorated for the Christmas season for 2024. So if that is things that you are interested and you're wanting to see other ways that I've decorated, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell to be notified, and let me know down in the comment section. Are you hosting Thanksgiving this year? Are you sticking with tradition? Are you going out to eat, or are you preparing food at home? Are you traveling? I am so ready for Thanksgiving. It is literally, I think honestly, Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday. It kind of gets skipped over a little bit, but I just love it because it doesn't feel like there's not a rush to it, if you will. I feel like sometimes we rush Christmas. Like right after Halloween, everybody's just so pumped for Christmas, which, I mean, obviously you can see I've got a lot of my home decorated already for Christmas. But Thanksgiving itself, that holiday, I just love it. I love the food. It's my favorite meal of the whole entire season. And I'm just, like I said, it's just, to me, it's just something about it. Something about Thanksgiving. It's just like a holiday that gives you a hug. Anyway, I hope you guys are having an absolutely blessed day. Happy Thanksgiving. Stay tuned for some more really fun Christmas content coming to you. All right.